Hello, friends. Hello, friends. It's time to sign. It's time to sign. In my classroom, in my classroom. Play with me. Learn with me. Let's get ready. Let's get ready. Here we go. Hello, boys and girls. It's time to sign with Lillian. Miss Lillian is here to teach you some incredible signs. We're going to be learning about feelings, emotions, and so much more. Are we ready? Are you ready to learn? Awesome. Feelings. Happy. Sad. Excited. Love. Tired. Silly, angry, sad. Here's a new one, jealous, jealous. So how do we feel? So I want to read to you some things, and I want you to tell me in sign, how do you think you're going to feel? Okay. So, oh, and this is happy. I got to play with a puppy. How do you think you feel? Yeah? Happy? That's right. How about excited? Okay. Oh, very good. Very good. Okay. My school friend took my toy I was playing with. How do you feel when somebody takes away your toy? Yeah, exactly. You feel angry? Come on, let's do it. Maybe sad. Sometimes we feel sad. Okay. Very good. Very good. We are going on a field trip in school. We're going to go and do something cool and fun. How do you think you feel? How do you feel? Come on. Excited? Yeah. How about happy? Yeah, very good. I'm still tired from my nap. So you maybe feel tired, right? Tired? Come on, show me a tired face. Yeah, very good. How about sleepy? Do you feel sleepy sometimes when you wake up? Yeah, you want to go back to bed, right? I accidentally broke my friend's toy. I feel, how do you feel when you accidentally broke somebody's toy? What do you think? How do we feel? Yeah, sometimes we feel we're sorry. Maybe we feel sad, right? I helped my friend clean up the blocks all by myself. How do you feel? Oh, these are new ones. You feel helpful? Yeah, like you've helped them, right? Or maybe proud, right? I feel so proud of myself. Pat your back, come on. Did you help your friend today? Sometimes when we help our friends, we feel really good, right? Feel good, we feel proud, we feel helpful. Very nice. Let's do more of that, okay? My friend got to go to the fair and I didn't go. I didn't get to go. I feel, sometimes we feel sad, maybe jealous. They got to go and you didn't go, right? Yeah, it's okay. Sometimes we have those negative feelings. It's okay. You just have to say, you know what? I'll go next time. Or next time is my turn. I didn't understand what the teacher was saying. This is a big one, important time. Sometimes we just don't understand, right? We don't understand what's going on. Have you felt like that? Have you felt like you couldn't understand? You're like, I don't know what she said. I don't know what he said. I don't know what's going on. That's confused. Confused. You can look at the teacher and say, I feel confused. Yeah. I made my mom a beautiful card for her birthday. I feel helpful, proud, right? Maybe you feel happy. Yeah? Yeah? You feel happy? Can you do happy? Show me happy. Yeah, okay, happy. Yeah, very good. I said, thank you to my friend for helping me. I feel proud again, right? Or happy, right? we are going to play with my favorite game today. I feel, how do you feel when you get to play your favorite game? When you play your favorite game, how do you feel? Come on. Okay, yes. Excited. That's good. Happy. Very good. The lights went out my house during a storm. I feel, how did you feel? That happened to me the other day and I still get scared. So let's do that. Scared. I feel scared. Sometimes you get sad and you start crying because you're scared, right? Very good. That happened to you? Yeah? Yeah. It happens. Sometimes the lights go out because of storm, weather, right? Yeah. I got lost in the big store all by myself and I felt, how do you feel when you get lost? You can't find mommy or daddy or grandma or grandfather or somebody that you're with, right? You feel confused, maybe you feel scared, maybe sad. How do you feel? All right. Yeah, I feel sad too. My school friends are coming to my birthday party. I feel, how do you feel? Come on. They're coming to your birthday party, your birthday party. What do you feel? Come on, tell me. Come on. Happy, right? Excited, right? Very good. Right. Thank you so much for that. That's so much fun to do. Different scenarios every day. Think makes us think how we feel sometimes, right? Sometimes our emotions get the best of us. So we need to learn how to express it. All right, here's another game. Let's do this together, okay, guys? You guys know Simon Says? Simon Says, right? So let's try it. I'm going to do Simon Says. S says. Simon Says. Okay. If I don't say Simon, you can't do it, right? Okay. You got it? All right. Here we go. Simon says happy. Simon says sad. Simon says excited. Tired. Simon didn't say. All right. Let's do it again. Simon says excited. Simon says sad. Simon says silly. Happy. Simon didn't say. Very, very good. Let's keep playing that, okay? Play it with your friends. It's a great game. Simon says. Simon says. Okay, here we go. All right, here's a song that I want us to do that's really, really fun. It's the feeling song to the tune of Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star. You guys like Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star. So we're going to do this song to the tune. So let's do the signs first. I have feelings. So do you. All right. We're all going to sing about a few. I am happy. I am sad. I get scared and I get mad. I am proud of being me. That's a feeling you will see. I have feeling, you do too. We just sang about a few. So let's sing it slowly together. Okay, we're gonna sing it slowly together. Here we go. I have feeling, so do you. Let's all sing about a few. I am happy, I am sad. I get scared and I get mad. I am proud of being me. That's a feeling too, you see. I have feeling, you do too. We just sang about a few. Yay! Isn't that a cool song? Yeah, I like that song because he talks about our feelings. We all have feelings, right? We do, we do, we do. We all have feelings every day. Okay. Next song. Alex Apple gets angry. Okay. So we can think about that. Okay. So let's just do it. It's really, really, really cool song. And it's just to feelings. Okay. It's to the tune of Old MacDonald Had a Farm. Okay. There we go. Old MacDonald had a farm, right? But we're going to do it to Alex Apple gets angry. So here we go. Alex starts with an A. A. Alex. So we're going to say boy, Alex. and he gets angry. Ooh, how do we do angry again? Ooh, very good. So Alex Apple gets angry. Ah, 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 ah. Alex Apple screams and shouts. Ah, 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 ah. With an ah, ah here and an ah, ah there. Here, ah, there, ah, everywhere, ah, ah. Alex Apple gets angry. Ah, 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 ah. All right, let's sing it together. All right. Are you ready? Okay. Alex Apple gets angry. Ah, 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 ah. Alex Apple screams and shouts. Ah, 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 ah. With an ah, ah here and an ah, ah there. Here, ah, there, ah, everywhere, ah, ah. Alex Apple gets angry. Ah, 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 ah. Yay! You like that? That was good, right? Yeah. I know you have to show that face when you're angry, right? You can't go, I'm angry. You're like, I'm so angry. Alex is angry. Right. Thanks so much. All right. Empathy. Let's show, facial expressions have to do with a lot of how others feel. So I want you to take a look at your friends and find out when they're feeling sad, when they're feeling mad, when they're not feeling good. Because you know what? The face tells you everything. Happy is like this, and sad and excited, maybe scared. So having empathy for our friends, let's find out what's wrong and ask them, how can I help you? Maybe you need a hug. Thank you.